it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So since I started doing this series at the beginning of January, I have gotten a question about this wood sign right here behind me. And I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you can see what it looks like. But everybody's asking me, do I have a tutorial on it? Because they wanna see it. And they also wanna know what does it say, because obviously in my videos, you can only read the top half. So what this actually is a old wood door, and I got it at a reclaimed shop. So you guys might have something like that in your area where it's sort of like a Habitat Humanity reclaimed center. So it was already white, so I didn't have to paint it white, but I did paint the center panel black in a chalkboard finish and then stenciled this design on. I don't have these for sale in my Etsy shop, but I do have this saying on a wood sign available in my Etsy shop. So if you guys are interested in purchasing something like that for your home in a smaller scale, I have that available. But you can kind of use this design as inspiration. Use an old cabinet door or use an old piece of wood and kind of create that look with the white border and then the black background and create your own design. I like this a lot because it has, I left some room on the top to where I could add this wreath, and then I actually had a Christmas wreath in the place of this one, so it dressed it up for the holidays. So thanks guys for all of your questions. Keep them coming. Leave them in the comments below. Do you have questions about some of the older tutorials that I've posted? Leave me those questions down below. Do you have a question about this project here? You can leave that in the comments below. I'm happy to help down there. And I hope that this video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up so that I can keep bringing you this Quick Tip Tuesday series. Make sure you subscribe as well. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.